Chicken nuggets recipe. For the chicken nuggets, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs. Beaten, 1 cup breadcrumbs, you can use plain or seasoned. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese optional, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, cooking oil for frying. For the dipping sauce optional, ketchup, BBQ sauce, honey mustard, or your favorite dipping sauce. 1. In separate bowls, place the flour in one, the beaten eggs in another, and the breadcrumbs mixed with Parmesan cheese if using paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper in a third bowl. 2. Take a piece of chicken, coat it in flour. Shaking off the excess, dip it in the beaten eggs, allowing any excess to drip off. And then coat it in the breadcrumb mixture. Pressing the breadcrumbs onto the chicken to adhere well, place the coated nugget on a baking sheet. 3. Heat about 1 to 2 inches of cooking oil in a skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. You can also use a deep fryer if you have one. 4. Once the oil is hot around 350 F or 180 Celsius, carefully add the chicken nuggets in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until they're golden brown and the chicken is cooked through. 5. Use a slotted spoon to remove the chicken nuggets from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. 6. Serve your homemade chicken nuggets with your favorite dipping sauce, such as ketchup, barbecue sauce, or honey mustard. These homemade chicken nuggets are delicious and can be customized with your choice of seasoning and dipping sauce. Enjoy!